business principles for greater success. Know this, it's never just one thing. To be successful, even with a new side hustle, you must have several things working together. One thing for sure, you must have customers for your products or services. With the right formula, you can convert many of your social media contacts into customers without spamming them or being pushy. With the secret sauce of free media exposure, you can have local, regional, national, and international recognitions for your products or services. In order to fully capitalize on social selling and free media exposure, part of your business must be automated. This will free up your time, helping assure follow up and follow through with your new leads you just put into your funnel. With all your new leads, proper sales training will help you identify their buying motivations along with their dislikes. This way, just like the 5 languages of love helps you with a relationship, you can communicate with your prospects the way your products and services are right for them in a way that connects with, so they see the value. Of course, starting a new side hustle or even a pre-existing business, a plan is a must. We walk you step by step through a process so it's simple and easy. Mindset. Because knowing how to make the right shifts allows you to create higher standards and achieve more. We know you know the fastest way to have more money is to keep more of what you earn. That's why we show you how to pay way less in interest and taxes, so you can use the money as you see fit. As your business grows, you will need to do presentations from time to time. It may be for a single person, yes, even a spouse, a small group, or from stage to a large audience. I can't express enough how extremely important it is to be able to put together a slide deck that is engaging, compelling, and connects with the audience so it moves them into action. We have 50 plus hours of training that is taught by highly successful practitioner instructors, meaning they make a living doing what they are teaching you to do. This training works worldwide because it is for any entrepreneur, whether new or seasoned. By taking action with the knowledge shared, you will implement the right step-by-step systems and processes and close more sales. Why do you want to do this? Possibly because you would like to be recognized within your community, build better and stronger relationships, while creating the lifestyle you desire. If you're ready to learn more, let's meet in person or via Zoom, like, comment, or private message me so we can take the next step. Thank you for watching. I am John Hobbs. I hope you have a blessed day and we can help take you to new heights.